Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're looking for a way to gain more visibility into your projects, track performance, or share updates with your team or stakeholders, this video is for you. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ClickUp for reporting. ClickUp is a versatile tool that can greatly enhance your productivity through its powerful reporting features, and I'm here to guide you through the process step by step. Let's dive right in. To get started, you'll first want to head over to ClickUp by logging into your account on their website. Once you're logged in, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the main dashboard. This is where you'll have access to all your tasks, projects, and the essential tools to keep everything organized. If you're managing multiple teams or departments, consider setting up a separate space for each. This makes your reporting structure cleaner and easier to navigate later. Next, navigate to the Spaces section. You'll see this on the left-hand menu. Spaces in ClickUp function like folders and help categorize your projects and tasks efficiently. Now you want to click on the plus sign, which will allow you to create something new within your space. This is the initial step in setting up your report. Once you've done that, you'll see an option to use templates. Click that. ClickUp provides a variety of templates to simplify setting up various projects, and choosing the appropriate one can save you a significant amount of time. Templates aren't just about saving time. They're built around common best practices, so they're a great starting point even if you're not sure what your report should include. Consider what kind of report you need before proceeding. Now, under the Templates tab, you'll see various boxes that represent different template types. Click on these boxes to gain a wider view of what's available. ClickUp categorizes templates by their function, which is handy for pinpointing exactly what you need. In the search bar within the Templates window, you should type Report. This action will filter out templates to show only those suited for reporting tasks. Having easy access to these templates makes it much simpler to ensure you're using the best tools for capturing your data effectively. After searching for Report, look through the available options and choose a template that best fits your specific needs. Focus on the details each template offers to ensure it includes the elements you require for comprehensive reporting. Some templates are designed for weekly updates, while others are better for data visualization or progress tracking. Pick one that aligns with your reporting goals. Once you've found the template you'd like to use, click on Use Template. This is essential in adding the selected template to your workspace, where you can start customizing it to fit your specific project requirements. Before you finalize the setup process, you need to select a location where this template will live within your organizational structure in ClickUp. Click on Select Location and choose the appropriate space where this report template should be stored. This step assures your teams know where to find reports and helps maintain organized workspaces. It's a good idea to create a dedicated folder or list called Reports within your space, so key members always know where to look. And there you have it. You've now successfully set up a reporting template in ClickUp. From here, you can begin inputting data and customizing your report to suit your project-specific requirements. Thank you for watching, and I hope you find ClickUp's reporting features as powerful and efficient as I do. If you'd like to see a follow-up video on how to create dashboards, generate charts, or automate report updates, let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss any future productivity tutorials. Happy reporting, and see you in the next video.